Welcome to Matty Does Moto with me, Matty. So my goal here is to make some high quality videos using my DSLR, my knowledge of shooting video and photos using time lapses and sliders, and just generally smooth, good looking footage to highlight some of my adventures that I want to go on. I'm about to leave New Mexico for greater places. That greater place right now is England, and I am so excited to visit England. It's gonna be great. I've got plans to go camping, do just normal touristy stuff to enjoy the new landscapes, and things like lane splitting. And I'm so excited to share them in my favorite method, which is through photos and videos. And I can't wait to create this YouTube channel and build it up to be something that I can be proud of. So, welcome to Matty Does Moto, and I hope you enjoy your stay. See you!